What is going on, guys? Today we're opening up the Hot Wheels Disney 90th Anniversary set from Walmart, also known as the Disney Mickey Mouse set. It includes 8 different Hot Wheels cars based on 8 different Mickey Mouses from over the years of Disney cartoons, so let's open them up. Mickey Mouse number 1 is the Steamboat Willie 32 Ford. Number 2 in this set is Mickey's Garden 57 Plymouth Fury. On to number 3 from Mickey Mouse and the Band concert, it's the Hot Wheels Cove Light. Mickey Mouse 4 from Brave Little Tailor is the Hot Wheels Avant Garde. Based on Disney Fantasia, number 5 is the blue Mickey Mouse 40 Ford Coupe. Now for number 6 in this set, we have the Prince and the Pauper Torque Twister. Number 7 in the Mickey Mouse set is the Mickey Mouse Club Rocket Box. And last but not least, Disney Mickey Mouse number 8 in the Mickey Mouse set is the Breadbox. Here we have all 8 Mickey Mouse Hot Wheels cars in the brand new Disney Mickey Mouse set from Walmart. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.